Your nerves are not weak. They are exhausted. And every day you ignore the signs. Numbness, tingling, burning feet, shaky hands, sudden fatigue. Your nerves keep breaking down silently. Doctors call it nerve damage, but most people don't realize that nerves can actually repair themselves if you feed them the right nutrients. And the surprising part, 4 simple seeds can help your nerves rebuild faster than you think. Not supplements, not expensive medicines, just 4 natural seeds that people have been using for centuries, but somehow we forgot their power. The truth is, your nerves need 3 things to repair: calmness, minerals, and deep cellular nourishment. And these 4 seeds deliver exactly that. The first is pumpkin seeds, small, crunchy, and packed with magnesium. This mineral relaxes your nerves, reduces inflammation, and helps reduce that tightness or tingling feeling in your legs and hands. When your body is low in magnesium, your nerves fire uncontrollably, causing pain and discomfort. 1 small handful of pumpkin seeds works like a natural nerve-calming remedy. The second seed is flaxseed. Most people don't know this, but your nerves are covered in a protective layer called myelin. When this layer becomes damaged, you feel numbness, burning, and nerve pain. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fats that help rebuild this protective coating, almost like repairing the insulation on a broken wire. Taking flax seeds daily helps your nerves function smoother and signals travel correctly again. The third seed is sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are powerful because they contain copper, zinc, and healthy oils that improve blood flow and reduce nerve inflammation. Poor blood circulation is one of the biggest reasons nerves weaken. Sesame seeds help warm the body from inside, supplying your nerves with oxygen and nutrients so they can heal faster. And the fourth seed, the most surprising one, is sunflower seeds. They are rich in vitamin B6, one of the most important vitamins for nerve repair. When your body lacks B vitamins, your nerves start losing sensitivity and strength. Sunflower seeds restore that deficiency naturally, supporting nerve regeneration and boosting overall energy levels. People who eat sunflower seeds regularly often notice better focus, stronger hands, and reduced nerve pain. Now here's the part most people miss. These 4 seeds work best when eaten together, not separately. When you combine them, they create a complete nerve-repairing formula. Take 1 tablespoon of each seed, mix them, and eat them once a day. Morning or night doesn't matter. You can chew them as is, sprinkle on yogurt, add to oatmeal, or mix into smoothies. What matters is consistency. Within days, many people notice less tingling. Within weeks, they feel stronger, more stable, more energized. And within a month, the signs of nerve fatigue slowly fade. But this small habit does more than repair nerves. It also calms your mind, improves your sleep, and balances your nervous system. Because nerves don't heal when you're stressed. These seeds supply minerals and healthy fats that relax your nerves naturally, helping your body recover faster while you rest. If you've been feeling tired, shaky, numb, or mentally drained, don't ignore it. Your nerves are asking for help. These 4 seeds are not magic. They are nourishment. Real nourishment your body recognizes, absorbs, and uses to rebuild nerve cells from the inside. Try this daily for 10 to 14 days and feel the difference. Your grip strength improves, your legs feel lighter, your focus gets sharper. That uncomfortable tingling begins to fade. And slowly, your nerves begin to repair. Naturally, gently, and effectively. Sometimes the solution is not in a pill. It's in the tiny seeds you walk past every day. Sometimes healing begins with just 1 small handful.